Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I do have a package that I just received in the mail yesterday, and I just came back from work today, so I figured I'll do an unboxing with you. So we shall get started right now. And the weather's not that great, but I do have my ring lights on, so hopefully that's going to help. So here is the packaging, and of course I have my, let's see what this is. This is the receipt, I believe. Sorry about that, everything just keeps falling off onto the floor. Oh, this is just an empty envelope, so this is just to show you what it is. I'm not sure if it's picking up right here, but this is probably, as you can tell, is from Hermes Paris. And so this is just the envelope itself. This must be the actual receipt, and I'm trying to open this, so I'm just gonna cut that off. So it seems like it is the receipt. Okay, I'm having trouble getting that out, so I'll just move on to the unboxing in the meantime. So it comes in this lovely package like this, so you can probably tell that it is an SLG. I'm just opening this right up. This is what the packaging looks like. It did include some samples right here of some perfume, so I'll just move this right out of the way to reveal this. The ribbon, strangely enough, it doesn't, oh it does, it says Hermes 2019, which of course is 2019, which is the year, and this is what the packaging looks like. So I'm just gonna take this off. And again, I ordered this online. I didn't pick it up in the store. Obviously, as you can tell, the packaging that he sent me, it was in a box. So I'm just going to quickly unbox this. So this is the first time I am seeing this SLG. Obviously, it is an SLG. And this is the, can you guess what it is? Okay, so this is the Elaine's pretty orange on screen. Let me see, it does have, I would say it does have a orange undertone. This is the Hermes Bastia coin purse. This is how it opens up. It reads Hermes Paris, made in France, and the color is Rouge de Coeur, which basically stands for hot red. This is it. So, oops, I'm trying to see if it has a red, an orange undertone, and I guess it does. It does have a red undertone, but like you already know, I have been looking for this in a red. So the last one that I got was, I can't remember the, oh, it was Rouge Ash, which is basically H red. And that one was just too dark, so I did not end up keeping that one. So I was looking for something red, so this is definitely a bright red, but yes, I like the color. This is very nice. It's gonna give me a pop of color. So since I have my Louis Vuitton holiday packaging, I just wanted to kind of put it side by side. I don't know if you can tell, but this leans more pink here, and this leans more reddish orange. So yeah, I will just quickly give you the measurements in case you are interested in knowing. So it's about 3 1/4, right? And the depth is, it's 3 1/4 as well. So there you go. So yes, very excited to finally have a Bastia coin purse in the red color. It leans a bit orange, but that's okay. It is much nicer than the Rouge Ash. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yes, probably I'll be testing it out to see how it fits inside my watermelon chain, and also, well, I'm sure it's going to fit inside my cocoa handle, but this is pretty much it. I hope you enjoy this video. Please tell me if you like this color or not. I don't mind having a different kind of red which leans a bit orange, but regardless, to me it looks beautiful. So it's very hard to find a Bastia coin purse in the red color. So as soon as I saw this online, and it was just by luck, I saw this, when was this, just a couple days ago, and so I snatched it, and it was shipped to me the following day, and I received it yesterday. So there you go. So this is it. Super thrilled. I finally have a Bastia coin purse, and this is it. Please remember to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram address below, and like this video. I wish you a very good day, and I will see you next time. Bye.